Ethereum explodes 15% higher to $250 in one day. Are more gains imminent? Over the past few weeks, Ethereum ETH has exploded to the upside. The second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, since bottoming around $117 in December 2017, has surged higher by over 100%, buoyed by buying pressure from investors looking to capitalize on the impending market cycle. In the past few days especially, Ethereum has gone vertical. Look to the right side of the chart below, which shows that in the past day or two alone, the asset has rallied from $220 to as high as $257, a gain of 17%. While this is already ludicrous in and of itself, some analysts believe that more upside is possible for the leading altcoin, citing technical analysis and fundamental factors. Ethereum could soon surge even higher, analysts say, as observed in a recent tweet from well-followed cryptocurrency trader Galaxy. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) for Ethereum's one-month chart has flipped from a bear to bull trend for the first time in 2 years, for the first time since October 2017. More specifically, after nearly 2 years of a downtrend, Ethereum's monthly MACD in January flipped green, then followed that up by printing another green candle for the ongoing month. Indeed, the last time this indicator was seen, the cryptocurrency rallied from $300 to a high of $1,440, a surge of just under 400%, in under 6 months' time. A similar rally would take ETH above $1,000 in the coming months. This comes shortly after Michael van de Poppe, a full-time trader at the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, offered a more muted analysis. He said that Ethereum turning $220 into support will likely act as a catalyst for a massive 50% rally higher. More specifically, the analyst said that once $220 is confirmed as a support by a daily and weekly close, we can aim for $360 as the next major resistance. I think we've bottomed out and we're aiming for a possible new higher high. Breaking $220 to $360. Clearing $360 and I'm aiming $500 plus. Per previous reports from News BTC, JP Morgan and Chase is purportedly looking to merge its blockchain unit called Quorum with Consensus, the New York-based Ethereum-centric development studio that is behind projects like Infura and MetaMask. Prominent cryptocurrency trader and commentator Satoshi Flipper said the following on the potential business deal, expressing how bullish it is. So why is this so bullish for Ethereum? Because cash is king and JP Morgan has much of it. With the pending release of 2.0, JP Morgan could desire an increased presence in the enterprise blockchain arena. Also, Ethereum-based decentralized finance (DeFi) recently reached $1 billion in locked value, a sum that analysts say prove that financial services on the blockchain has become Ethereum's killer use case. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.